Welcome to Digital U. In this video, we will provide you a list of best free online tools for animated videos, explainer videos, presentations, etc. So let us provide you the list. One of the best options is Biteable. So as you can see, it has a free plan, although the exported videos will have a watermark. Animaker, Powtoon, Moovly, and Renderforest. So these are free tools for animated videos, explainer videos. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.